In this video, I will show you how to fix Risk of Rain 2 multiplayer not working. So if you're having some issue with multiplayer, so there's several methods that I will show you. First things first, let's head over and see if your internet is as fast as possible in order to support multiplayer games. So you can go to fast.com and see if your internet is fast enough. As of right now, my internet is 54 Mbps, which is quite decent, but there's actually a lot more faster speed than that. So you can upgrade your Wi-Fi, or you can also change it, or you can use data if you want. Next things first is just head over to the Steam of this Risk Frame 2. And if you have it installed on your Steam, you can head over and uninstall it and then reinstall it as well. You can also verify its game identity. So you need to verify this file identity in order to see if this Risk Frame is actually not corrupted if you want it to be. Now, if you want, you can also reinstall it by adding the cert card and then installing it through the cloud. Next thing you need to do is you can head over right here to your search bar and search in here for Risk of Rain. So just search in here for any application, which is the Risk of Rain right here. So I don't have it installed right now. However, I can show you what it looks like. For example, we have in here this application. You can click on this run as administrator in order to run the game as administrator, and it should resolve the issues. So that's how you fix Risk of Rain through multiplayer not working. Hope we help.